Hello everyone, this is Leonine Learning e-learning platform. On this platform, employees and professionals across different levels, across different job descriptions can come here to upskill themselves and help them position and go at work to become a superstar. Leonine e-learning platform contains different sorts of courses that are very easy to learn, very easy to follow through with practical case studies. We also have virtual classes where we try to get insights and answer questions from participants and help them understand concepts that they couldn't grasp whilst taking the online course. Some of our courses includes how to build data, automated dashboard in Excel, how to build financial models, how to carry out valuations, amongst others. We also plan out to roll out several courses within the coming months. From the courses we've released so far, we've had hundreds of people take the courses. We've also gotten strong feedback from some of our participants, and some of the people who have taken our courses were able to give these strong feedbacks here below. What are you waiting for? Sign up on Leonine Learning e-learning platform to kickstart your career and take it to the next level. Welcome, and we look forward to seeing you join e-learning platform.